everybody, and welcome back to Synergy Technical's IT Mythbusting. As always, I'm your host Lexi, and today's myth is that Azure Active Directory, or AAD, is the exact same thing as Active Directory, or AD, just with Microsoft slapping its label on it. I understand why you would think this. It sounds very much so like it's Microsoft's version of Active Directory, but in fact, that's not the case. Active Directory is great, but Azure Active Directory adds on an amazing breadth of services that you're not going to get in your Active Directory. So we're going to link for you a fantastic document from Microsoft that shows you the differences between Azure Active Directory and Active Directory, but I do want to highlight today some of the really important ones that I think you guys would understand and be affected by. So Azure Active Directory first has a ton of integrations that provide you some baked-in security and device management. I think device management is definitely top of mind for everyone because we know that users are our endpoint and they're where a lot of attacks begin. So having this device management allows you to protect your endpoint as well as having that extra security that your Active Directory does not. Additionally, Azure Active Directory can manage Windows servers and virtual machines, whereas your Active Directory can only do on-premises. As we all know, cloud is the new greatest thing, and so Windows servers and virtual machines, which are there to replace all of these physical devices, really need their Azure Active Directory access. So that is super duper helpful for AAD. Additionally, AAD boosts your password security by using intelligent password protection, but this is for the cloud as well as on-premises. So you don't have to be, you're thinking Azure Active Directory, it's only helping me in the cloud. No, this helps you on-premises as well, which is fantastic. And finally, Azure Active Directory provides role-based access control, or RBAC. This is really, really popular right now. Getting into the zero trust world, everyone's talking about RBAC. So using Azure Active Directory, you're able to say, these users can have this level of access and that's it. And this is known because of their Active Directory status. So this is really, really helpful. You want to make sure that all your users are only doing what their roles allow them to do. And so these are some of the great reasons why Azure Active Directory is not the same thing as Active Directory. It has that same basis, but it adds on these fantastic features that I think you'll get a lot of use out of. So I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you back here next time for Synergy Technical's IT Mythbusting.